I'm using CatVerse and CatSync mode to interpret my cat Timmy's mood. Hi Timmy, is it okay if I spend some time with you?
Oh, human, absolutely. I would love to spend some time with you. Let's make it the coziest and happiest time ever. Come on over, and let's have a perfectly wonderful time together.
At any time I can play back the recorded meows from the chat history. And I can look at all the mood scores that are based on the AI analysis of his meow. Download the CatVerse app now and use CatSync mode to figure out your cat's mood.
Download on Google and Apple.